Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.
Say hello to One Mini, the first-of-its-kind pocket multilingual assistant that was made for every lifestyle, allowing you to record memorable moments and preserve your voice between lines, giving you language barrier-free communication anywhere, anytime.
So, we will look at the impact of globalization.
One key recording is impossibly handy. Dual far-field microphone enables superior speech recognition.
I found is very interesting.
Push to record, multilingual transcription comes out smoothly in real time. No need to play back, just copy and paste. Say goodbye to humdrum typing. For simple and short conversations, AI translation is incredibly intelligent and easy to use.
Excusez-moi. Vous savez comment vous rendre au musée national?
Do you know how to get to the National Museum?
Just go straight and then left.
One button away, your language comes out universally meaningful.
Quiero un helado muy muy grande.
我要一个超大的甜筒冰淇淋。
For professional and complex conversations, One Mini puts live interpreters in the palm of your hand.
This is One Mini Interpreter.
Can I help you?
The Model 79 needs to be polished.
モデル79は売り切れで
30,000 pieces.
3月前に3000枚欲しいです。
Can you ensure?
割引がありますか？
大丈夫です。お使いになると思います。
你好，你们要吃点什么？
Do you speak English?
This is One Mini Interpreter. Can I help you?
I want a double flavor pods, mildly spicy, a big platter of the sliced beef, sesame paste as dripping sauce, and an ice cold beer.
I'm allergic to shrimps. Any local cuisine for recommendation?
这位客人要一份鸳鸯锅，微辣。
一份大份牛肉，芝麻蘸酱。
没问题。
Powered by AI and humanity, One Mini is your omnipotent personal translator, making everywhere in the world just like your home. One Mini always accompanies wherever life takes you. It allows you to communicate effortlessly and makes everyday life worth remembering. A pocket multilingual assistant for recording and communicating.
Introducing Echo Frames, eyeglasses that let you take Alexa with you.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. Your next event is Coffee with Rebecca at 9 a.m.
Echo Frames direct sound straight to your ears so you can discreetly hear Alexa. And with no cameras or displays, you're free to see the world around you. They work with your phone and are controlled by your voice, helping you get things done without getting in your way.
Alexa, call Jamie. Got the raspberries?
They're on the way.
Perfect.
Echo Frames are designed around your privacy. You can turn off the microphone anytime. Never miss what's important. With VIP Filter, you choose the notifications Alexa reads to you and which ones stay on your phone.
Message from Ethan. Swipe for more. Change of plans. Meet me at the trailhead in 20 minutes.
Get the weather, news, or settle an important debate.
The fastest slap shot ever recorded was 110.3 miles per hour.
So was I right?
You're right.
Knew it.
Play a little music or your favorite podcast without missing a beat.
Alexa, resume my podcast.
Okay.
Just ask to check your calendar, manage your to-do list, or add a new favorite spot.
Alexa, add Rinzu Sushi to our favorite restaurant list.
Alexa can even help you capture a moment of inspiration.
Alexa, remind me to try a faster tempo when I get to work.
Okay, I'll remind you at work.
Alexa, turn on the patio lights.
Echo Frames and Alexa keep you in the moment, so you never miss it.
Welcome to the AquaTrue family. We're going to walk you through everything you need to know to set up and use your AquaTrue for the first time. Before getting started, please make sure to wash and dry your tap water tank and clean water tank. When handling the tanks and filters, always make sure you've washed and cleaned your working surfaces. This helps ensure the purity of your drinking water. And always place your AquaTrue on a flat and stable surface. Place away from direct sunlight and any heat source. Remove the filter cover by gently lifting the side panel from the bottom. Set it aside. Remove the stickers covering the filter bases. You can see that each filter base is color-coded and labeled for its correct filter. To install, simply insert the yellow pre-carbon filter and turn it clockwise so the red arrows align. You'll notice that filter bases actually pivot outwards, making it even easier to install. Complete this process for the blue RO filter and the green VOC filter. Slide the cover back on. It may take you a couple of tries to get the hang of it, but practice makes perfect. Next, fill your tap water tank with cold or room temperature tap water. It's got a handle to make it easy to carry. Then place the tanks on the base of the machine, one at a time. Make sure your AquaTrue is plugged in and then turn the power switch on. AquaTrue will start filtering immediately. You'll know that it's working when you hear the pump running and you see the display panel cycling through the 4-stage filtration process. Your AquaTrue will stop filtering when the clean water tank is full or the tap water tank is ready to be emptied. The full blue circle at the top of your display panel is a reminder to empty the wastewater from your tap tank. After the first full tank is filtered, empty out both tanks of water. Refill your tap water tank and place both tanks back on the base. If this is the first time you've run AquaTrue, you'll need to run 4 full tanks of water through the system prior to drinking the water. This step is important to precondition and flush out the filters and internal system before consuming your pure water. You may notice some bubbles and even cloudiness in the tap water tank when you use it for the first time. This is simply trapped air from the filters escaping. Once you have completed 4 full cycles, give your tanks one more quick rinse with soap and water, and then you're ready to start enjoying your AquaTrue. Fill up the tap water tank and place both tanks on the base to begin filtering your first tank of delicious AquaTrue water. Here are some helpful tips. When dispensing from AquaTrue's convenient push spout, make sure to leave your container under the spout for just a second or two after releasing to allow it to fully empty. If your AquaTrue does not start, make sure to check that the filter cover and both tanks are properly in place. AquaTrue won't operate if all its parts are not fully in place. After discarding the wastewater, refill your tap water tank right away. This way, AquaTrue will automatically resume filtering when you dispense any water from your clean water tank, so you always have a full tank on hand. Discarding the wastewater after each use extends the life of AquaTrue and the filters. If you don't empty the tap tank each time, you will not only strain the system and filters, but you will also void your warranty. AquaTrue works by recirculating the water and concentrating contaminants in the tap water tank. That's why you have to discard the wastewater after each use. 5. Wash both tanks once a week to keep your water pure and clean. Thank you for joining our AquaTrue family. We hope you enjoy the convenience of drinking pure, healthy water right from your countertop. AquaTrue's patent-pending ultra-reverse osmosis technology guarantees you pure, delicious water with every glass.
Our pedals are made to be portable and compact. They can quickly be retracted by pushing the pedal inward first, then down. To obtain maximum range and top speed, ensure that your EB5 is fully charged before riding. This can take up to 5 hours. A little tip, avoid overcharging the battery. So when the EB5's battery is full, it's best to take it off the charger. In some cases, you may notice your throttle becomes difficult to move. This may be a result of your hand grip being too tight. Lightly adjust and this should free it up. Because the EB5 is so foldable, clamps can get loose over time. Tightening the latches is easy, but tighten just enough to offer some resistance when clamping. Seat post clamps work the same way as our stem clamp, so be prepared to adjust when needed. Too much and it will not clasp properly. If you have ridden on uneven terrain, remember that some items will become loose. One such item is the seat. Make sure you carry a set of tools when riding for such an occurrence. Frequently inspect both tires after every ride for signs of puncture and/or damage. At some point in every bike's life, brakes might become loose, affecting stopping time. Sometimes the fix is simply tightening the handbrake. Otherwise, here's a tip for adjusting the front and rear brakes. Locate the brake cable on the brake. Using a pair of pliers and Allen key, loosen the cable. Pull out some slack, but not too much. Once done, tighten and give them a test. The EB5 is a folding commuter e-bike that is compact and fun to ride, but it's better suited for smooth, even pavement. It is not designed for stunts or tricks. If it's raining outside, leave your EB5 at home. The EB5 is rated IPX4 for water resistance, but it's not waterproof. While it can handle occasional splashes, water can still potentially damage the internal parts of the EB5. Have questions or problems with your EB5? For expedited service, you can reach our 5-star customer service team via phone, email, or live chat.
Bye.